Push Fun is a skilled arcade game that looks simple but is designed for repeat plays. It seems easy but usually needs several attempts to win. Insert coins. Press the left button. The rod moves sideways. And press the right button. The rod lit up, push forward automatically. Most of the times, the first push only moves the prize a little. Players always feel, I was so close, so try again. That's the secret. It looks easy, but usually needs several attempts to win. With short play time and repeat attempts, Push Fun creates strong engagement. That's why delivers fast return and steady revenue.